The story about the ants and the grasshopper. One bright autumn day, a family of ants was busy working in the warm sunshine. They were drying out the grain they had stored up during the summer when a starving grasshopper came up with his fiddle under his arm. The grasshopper humbly begged for a bite to eat. "What?" cries the ants. "Haven't you stored any food away for the winter? What in the world were you doing all last summer?" "I didn't have time to store any food before winter," the grasshopper whined. "I was so busy making music that before I knew it, the summer was gone." The ants simply shrugged their shoulders and said, "Making music were you? Very well, now dance." The ants then turned their backs on the grasshopper and returned to work. The moral of the story is there is a time for work and a time for play. Do subscribe this channel and share it for your support and for the more exciting stories to come. Thank you.